You know, belly fat's not just a physical problem. I've coached enough men to know what it actually does to them. He stops feeling like himself. He loses his masculine edge. He loses confidence, in who he is. He starts avoiding life, trips he won't take, shirts he won't wear, situations that he used to walk into without thinking twice. Now he thinks about it. I did the same thing. Belly fat after 50 costs a man, far more than his waistline. And after 50, it doesn't go away on its own. In fact, if you don't understand what's actually happening in your body right now, it gets harder every single year. Here's what's actually happening in your body after 50 that makes belly fat so stubborn, and then I'm going to give you 4 ways to get rid of this belly fat for good. First, you have to have less muscle. First, the reason you have less muscle than you did at 40. This is why it's harder. Muscle burns calories even at rest. Less muscle means fewer calories burned every single day without changing anything else. The same diet that kept you lean at 35 is going to make you fat at 55. Second, this is huge, visceral fat. That's the deep belly fat that wraps itself around your organs deep in your stomach. It's not just a cosmetic thing, although cosmetically it looks bad. It's metabolically active. It produces inflammation throughout your body, disrupts your hormones. It makes it progressively harder to lose the weight the more of it you carry. It gets harder and harder to lose it. Some of you may have heard the old thing, if you thump somebody's gut and it's like an egg, it's solid, you can't lose the weight. Like a boiled egg, you can't lose the weight. Third, sleep and stress is huge. Most men over 50 are sleeping less, carrying more stress than they did 20 years before. 60-year-old man's carrying more stress than he did at 40. And both of those elevate your cortisol. Cortisol tells your body to store fat, specifically in your belly. You can eat perfectly, you can train hard, and high cortisol will still work against you every single day. This is why what worked at 35 doesn't work at 55. Your body changed. Your approach has to change with it. Now, here's what most men over 50 do when they decide I'm going to lose the belly fat, and why it doesn't work. They think about losing weight instead of repurposing the body. And this happens with men and women, but you think about, I got to lose weight, I got to lose weight. Weight loss and body recomposition are 2 different things. A man who loses weight without building muscle just becomes a smaller version of the same problem. You need muscle to burn the fat and keep it off. A second reason is they go, and this is huge, guys, you go too hard too fast. Oh yeah, and you burn yourself out. A couple of weeks of brutal workouts or running more than you should be when you haven't ran in years, you're injured, you're burned out, and you're back on the couch. Same thing. I saw this so many times, it's mind-boggling. I would even tell people, slow down. You're going too hard. You're 55 years old, you got to work into it. You're going too hard, you haven't done anything. Sure enough, they'd have a knee problem, ankle problem, back problem, something came up. And that, that cycle can cause men more bad results than any bad diet can. 3, what most of these diet plans are, you rely on cardio and starvation. Starvation diets do not work if you want to keep the weight off. You can lose some weight, but you're not going to keep it off. 90% of the people that probably lose weight on these starvation diets where they cut too many calories, gain the weight back because they're starving, and they don't learn any new habits, and they go back to eating the way they did before. This approach fails, like I say, 90%. The number may be even higher. It may have worked for somebody 30, but it's not going to work if you've got that belly fat and you're 55, 60, 65 years old. So let's get into what actually works, guys. And you hear me talk about this a lot. Make a real decision, not a New Year's resolution, not a Monday morning commitment that you're going to forget by Wednesday. A real decision, the kind that doesn't have an expiration date. Find out your why. Why do you really want to lose the weight? What matters enough to actually keep you going? For me, it's my family. It was my family when I lost 35 pounds when I made the decision. My grandchildren. My great-granddaughter wasn't around yet. Matter of fact, yeah, two of my grandchildren were around then, but I knew that I wanted to be around for the future. You know, being a man that I need to be physically for as long as possible. For that, you know, write it down if you have to. Write it down. And that decision is the foundation everything else is built on. If you don't have that decision right in your head, you're not going to be successful. Number 2, eat like an adult. I didn't invent that, but I love it. Dan John invented that. Eat like an adult. That explains it, you know, in 4 words. All of these diet plans and stuff, just eat like an adult. No sugary breakfast. Quit eating the cereal. You know, protein with every single meal. 2 or 3 servings of fruit and vegetables per day. It's not complicated. Those fruits, vegetables, you can have snacks, you know, and yes, you're going to eat something sweet sometimes. I hear people would tell me all the time, I'm not going to eat any more sweets. I'm not drinking any more sodas. Yes, you are. Cut back. Maybe you can eliminate it for a few months. If you can, I haven't had a Mountain Dew in like 11, 12 years now because that was killing me. That and peanut M&Ms. So if you eat like an adult, your body will respond like an adult. You know, number 3, build your strength. It's non-negotiable. I don't care how much you argue. Resistance training builds the muscle that helps burn the belly fat. I didn't say lifting weights, although when it comes to building strength, that's the best way, but there are a lot of ways to do it. Not cardio, not just walking along, but you got to build some muscle with resistance training. It changes your metabolism, you know, at a cellular level. Every pound of muscle you add burns more calories around the clock. Look that up. Google it if you don't believe me. That's how you win the belly fat after the age of 50, guys. You change what your body does when you're not in the gym. Or after you're through with your exercise. Right over there is an exercise machine, a treadmill. There's a row machine right over there. But when you do resistance training, your body will keep burning calories for hours and hours. Move, number 4, move every day. Walking, doing the carries that I do them at the end of my resistance training. Daily movement, the movement you do throughout the day other than going for a walk, not instead of the gym, but in addition to the gym. A lot of people have a problem with that. A lot of people just want to walk. Well, if you just walk, your diet has to be so perfect. And diet, remember, means temporary. You have to change your eating, the way you eat. I like to say change your eating plan. Eat like an adult instead of being on a diet. You know, if you can train 2, 3, 4 days a week and move the other days, I say, you know, move your body 7 days a week. Try to walk 6 or 7 days a week. Try it out and see what it does. And do some type of resistance training, even if it's down on the floor, up against a wall, outside, whatever, 2 or 3 days a week. You know, movement manages the cortisol, it supports your recovery, and keeps your metabolism active every single day. And you've got that belly fat and your metabolism slowed down. This is a way to get that metabolism going. You know, so those 4 things. Now I want to come back to something I said at the beginning because I don't want you to miss it. Belly fat after 50 doesn't just change how you look. It changes who you are. And I think a lot of you know that. I've watched it happen to many men I've coached. I watched it happen to me before I started coaching weight loss. They stop feeling like themselves. They lose their masculine edge, that confidence that they had in who they are and what they can do. They lose trust in themselves because they told themselves they'll fix it, and they haven't done it yet. They start avoiding life, saying no to things they used to say yes to without even thinking. They don't associate with their friends, a lot of them, like they used to. They feel older than they are because their body is telling them that they are. That's the real cost, and it compounds every year. You let it go. And you don't have to be that man. I'm 68 years old. You guys know I travel internationally. I'm in California right now. That's not international, but I'm constantly traveling. I'm with family for a few weeks. I train consistently every week. I carry, do heavy things relative to me. I do my carries. I eat like an adult. I walk every single day. I'm getting ready to go for a walk now. I'm not carrying belly fat anymore because I made a decision. I made a real decision, and it's been with me every day since. I don't have great genetics, not by a long shot. Not because it was easy, but because the alternative was unacceptable to me when I looked in the mirror and I saw my fat gut and realized what I had done. I coach men enough to know exactly what happens when they make that same decision and follow through and stay with it day after day, week after month, year after. Just keep with it. Your confidence come back, the masculine edge comes back. You'll start saying yes to life again. You'll start back doing things you used to do, things you used to enjoy doing. That's available to you right now. Lose belly fat before it gets totally impossible for you. You can reach a stage where it's really impossible. That's not a scare tactic. That's the truth. Every year with the visceral fat increasing, and the stress it puts on your body, the strain, the muscle decreases, the metabolism slows, the window doesn't close, forever, but it gets smaller and smaller, and smaller and smaller. It gets harder and harder, guys, and you'll quit. Many men will quit, especially if you don't have that great decision why. Make the decision, find your why, build your strength, move every day. Those 4 things that I tell you, not 24 like some people tell you to do, just 4 things. Eat like an adult is huge. Make the decision is probably the biggest one of them all. Resistance train and move. The man on the other side of this commitment doesn't avoid life. He walks into it. He feels like himself again. He trusts himself again. So guys, don't let the old man in. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like. Subscribe to the channel if you're new, and I'll talk to you later.